Well, to all my friends and followers, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for sticking around once again on my channel. And of course, I'm here once again with school chalk production. This is commercial school chalk production. This business is one of those most profitable business ventures you can think about if you have your capital with you, because though it is a seasonal business, but we have breakup of schools for only 1 month per term, so that necessitates you to really have a constant demand for your products. If you want to engage in school chalk production commercially, you need to acquire this IMM gun metal machine that will help you in your production process. This machine can make a round of 800 chalk sticks, and remember that our bag of 40 kilograms can make 12,000 chalk sticks, and those are 80 boxes. Of course, that shows that there is a lot of profitability in school chalk production.